Hello again, this is Sam with BlindShell. Today we're going to take a look at voice control on the BlindShell Classic mobile phone. So one of the amazing features of the BlindShell Classic phone is the ability to control it with your voice. So let's go ahead and wake up the phone.
Call 1 of 9, 1108, September 3rd, 2019.
It gives us our information, our current information. So voice control is just that, controlling the phone with your voice. And one of the things you can do is open applications. So if you remember from our voice dictation tutorial, our two voice control buttons are the top left button and the top right button on the keypad here. Normally, if I just press one of those,
Volume 7, Volume 8.
It's the volume up and down buttons. But if I long press one of those, and that's press and hold the button down, then it becomes our voice control buttons, or voice command buttons.
Call 1 of, I listen after a beep.
What time is it?
Opening information about state. 11:10, Tuesday, September 3rd, 2019, 1 of 5.
Now asking it the time actually just opened up the time application, but we can be more specific and tell it to open a specific application. So for example, if I say,
I listen after a beep.
open internet radio.
Opening internet radio. Loading. Resume playback, 1 of 6.
And there we go, it opened up the radio app.
Call 1 of 9.
I can also open up weather by asking it to open weather, or simply just asking what the weather is.
I listen after a beep.
What's the weather?
Opening weather. Current weather in Monticello, temperature 26 degrees. I listen after a beep.
Set an alarm for 5 p.m.
Opening alarm, 17:00. Do you want to set alarm at 17:00?
So that is the basics of voice commands on the BlindShell Classic phone. The phone can do a lot of things, so just play around with it, try new things. I think you'll be very impressed what it can do. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to see more about the BlindShell Classic phone, be sure to head over to our YouTube channel and watch more of our tutorials.